How to lock or unlock your US bank card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to lock or unlock your US bank debit or credit card whether you are using a computer or the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for US Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of US Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, just click on the login button and after that you need to enter your personal ID and password on the next page to enter your US Bank account. And now here, once you're inside your US Bank account, you can just go to the main dashboard and just click on customer service tab, and after that you can simply find the card service in the menu, and after that you simply have to select the card, and after that you can just click on lock card to temporarily disable it, or you can just click again to unlock it when you are ready. And that's it. That's how you can lock or unlock the US bank card. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.